Good morning, students. Last day we have started our networking classes. I hope you are taking interest in computer networks. Today I am going to discuss topologies. Please note down the heading Network Topologies. Please note down the heading Network Topologies. The heading Network Topologies. What do you mean by topology? The term topology means the geometrical arrangement. Please note down the geometrical arrangement of computers resources, network devices, along with communication channel is known as network structure or network topology. Network structure or network topology. Topologies may be physical or logical. Physical means physical layouts of nodes and cables, whereas logical means information flows between the computers. Okay, now please give the heading Types of Physical Network Topologies. We'll see some of the types of physical network topologies. Note down their names: bus topology, star topology, ring topology, mesh topology, tree topology. And hybrid topology. We'll see them one by one. Please note down the listing. Types of physical network topologies. Okay, these are the few topologies available. We'll see them one by one. Come to bus topology. Here, nodes are connected through a common communication media. Note down, nodes are connected through a common communication media. And please see the diagram. A dark dotted line of communication channel is shown over here, this line. Okay, and these are the nodes. You have to draw this diagram in your copy. Please pause the video and draw this diagram in your copy. This is nothing but simply a bus channel. This dark line is called the bus channel, this line. Okay, this is called the bus channel, and these are the nodes. These are the nodes. Okay, so draw this diagram. This is bus topology. Very easy to install. Some of the advantages of bus topology is it is easy to install and minimal cable layout is required, whereas disadvantages are there. For example, if one of the node breaks down, it is hard to reconnect with the bus channel. Okay, and it's very hard to find the problem. If the bus channel gets damaged, it will break, stop all transmission of data. So these are few of the disadvantages of bus topology. Come to the next one, star topology. Please note down, the star topology uses a separate cable for each node or workstation. Okay. Now see the diagram. You have to draw it in your copy. Please draw this diagram in your copy of star topology. This is called star topology. There is a central server, or you can say hub or switch, through which all the nodes gets connected. Okay, so it is very easy to implement and very reliable one. Let us see the advantages and disadvantages of it. Less expensive, easy to install, easy to configure, and if one link fails, it doesn't fails the whole network. And disadvantage is only one. If the hub, everything is depends upon the hub. If the hub gets crashed, what happen? If the hub gets crashed, the network will dumped out. Okay, so this is star topology, very useful. Come to the next one, ring topology. As the name suggests, all the computers will be connected via a ring. So ring topology. Please note down, in ring topology, every computer is connected to the next computer in a ring, and each transmit the signal receives from the previous computer. This is the ring topology. Again, this is easy to install, easy to reconfigure, and it is very easy to detect a problem. This is the diagram for ring topology. Please draw this diagram in your copy. See here, if any of the node breaks down, what happens? The network will no longer exist. Though this path is open, data transmission can be done through this way also. Okay, so this is ring topology. Some of the advantages are, it is very easy to install, easy to reconfigure, and easy to detect a problem. And disadvantage of rings topology is, if one stop breaks down, whole system will be dead. Come to the next one, mesh topology. The word mesh means a web or jal. Mesh topology. Please note down, in mesh topology, separate cable is used to connect each device to every other device on the network, providing a straight communication path. Full stop. Draw the mesh topology in your copy. This is the mesh topology. If you consider this diagram, you will see each and every node is connected to each and every other node, okay, via means of cables. Okay, so what happen if this node gets dumped, all other network will be there. these networks are still on. Okay, if any of the link gets disturbed, all other links will be there to support the system. So it is beneficial. Please draw the diagram of mesh topology. Let us see some of the advantages and disadvantages. See, it is costlier because of the cable charges, and the other advantages are it remains functional even if one of the link breaks, and easy to detect a problem. Some of the disadvantages are a lot of cables are required, making it a complex system and costlier system. Okay, come to tree topology. Tree topology. In tree topology, a central root node which is called the top level of the hierarchy is connected to one or more other nodes that are there in the hierarchy. Full stop. Draw the diagram of tree topology. We will see this is the root node, and all other nodes that are down in the hierarchy get connected to this root node. Let us see few advantages of it. Tree topology is scalable. Means if you want to create a new node, you have to do it downward. Okay, and easier fault identification. And disadvantages are maintenance of this type of network is tougher, and if the backbone fails, the whole system will be crippled. So these are the advantages and disadvantages. Come to hybrid topology. Hybrid means mixture. It's a combination of two or more topologies discussed above. For example, in one single topology, hybrid topology, you may see bus, star, ring, etc. So this is the diagram. If you can see here, a tree network is there. See here, the tree network is there, and star network is also there. Okay, so there are two topologies used in this hybrid topology. Note down this in your copy. Okay, all the advantages and disadvantages of other topologies may come in this topology. Now see, this is called network topology. For today, this much is enough. In the next day, we will start types of network. Please note down the list of types of network. Today I'll discuss this later on. Only not the full form, only the short form. Number 1, PAN, LAN, MAN and WAN. Okay, these are the few types of network. Thank you very much.